Hey guys, welcome back to Jazz Lupini. Today we're going to be making a Gigi Hadid inspired spicy pasta. First, you're going to want to boil your penne pasta and turn your burner up to pretty high. Continue boiling until your pasta reaches al dente. Next, put your pasta away and we're going to start with the sauce. Add butter. Add some chopped red onions. And let simmer and mix. Next, add 2 spoonfuls of cream cheese to make your pasta creamy. And right after, add your pasta sauce. Next, mix it all up and it should come out as this really pretty orange, vibrant color. Next, add a little bit of cheddar cheese. I'm doing the smallest amount. You can use as much as you'd like, and then add minced garlic. Then mix everything up. Next, you're going to want to add some grated Parmesan cheese. And then add some delicious cayenne pepper for a little bit of spice. Again, just continue to mix everything up. Next, add some ground black pepper. And again, just mix everything up. Next, now that the sauce is done, you're going to add your cooked pasta and coat well. And then garnish your pasta with Parmesan cheese, and it's ready to eat and serve, and we hope you love it. Thank you for watching this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more.